Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making lemon pudding cake, and it's a recipe by Tyler Florence. You can find the recipe at foodnetwork.com or on the app, and I'm excited to try it. And I made a bunch of lemon recipes before, but I've never made a lemon pudding cake. I don't even know what it tastes like really, so we'll see how it turns out. And I bought these little new ramekins. We have other ones, but they're like pretty tiny, and I don't think they would be good for this recipe. And we even bought this from Amazon because you put water when you make stuff with the ramekins, so that way you can just put them in and then have the water. So it's nice and easy to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is mix my wet ingredients in this bowl, and then I'll mix my dry ingredients. So in here I have my lemon zest, and here I have some lemon juice. So I have a bunch of lemon flavor. And here I have my egg yolks. And here I have my buttermilk. So that's all of my wet ingredients, and now I'm going to whisk this together. And it smells a lot like lemon, so I think I'll have enough lemon flavor. Okay, that's good enough. And now I'm going to move on to my dry ingredients. So now I'm going to combine my dry ingredients, and here I have some super fine sugar. You can see there's a bunch of powder, that's how fine it is. And then in here I have some flour. And then I have my salt. I'm just gonna whisk this together a little bit. Now in here I'm going to mix together my egg whites to form stiff peaks. So I'm just going to use my electric mixer. So I have my meringue, and it looks pretty good. Now I'm going to slowly add my dry ingredients into my wet. I'm trying to only get a little bit at a time while I'm whisking. Alright, so I think that's good enough. I'm just going to whisk it a little bit more. And then I'm going to slowly fold in my meringue into here. It's hard because I'm trying to lift the bowl. Okay, I don't want to splatter it everywhere. Okay, now I'm going to slowly fold it in. It's already starting to form pretty well. Excited to see how these turn out because it smells really good, and I like lemon flavor. I've made a Tyler Florence recipe before. It was one he did with marshmallow. It was like I don't remember specifically what it was, but it was like a matcha. It was a matcha tart, I believe. And I remember those were really good. So, yeah. Okay, so I think this looks pretty good. And now I have my ramekins and I have them buttered up. I'm just gonna add some sugar in there. Just so the butter, or not the butter, so the sugar can stick. I'm just gonna do it like this. And then I'm pouring the excess sugar into the other ramekin, just so it's easier to do. So my mom filled the little ramekin tray halfway full with some hot water. Now I'm going to fill my little ramekins, and I'm going to fill these halfway with my mixture. Ooh, made a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. And my last one. And I still have a little bit left, so I'm just gonna add some more to like this one, a little bit here, and then a little bit to the other one too. Okay, I think that's good enough. So now I'm going to put them in here. Oh, I'm trying to be careful because I don't know if the metal is warm. Okay. Okay, no, the metal isn't really warm, so that's good to know. Okay, so now I'm going to put these in the oven. So I put these in the oven for about an hour, and now they're done baking. And I let them cool because they were pretty hot, and I'm going to take one out and put it on this plate. So I'm just using this to help me get it out. They're already pretty loose in there, so I should be able to get it out pretty easily. Looks pretty good. I got it out pretty evenly. And I'm just gonna add some strawberries on top, a few. Oops. It looks like a sort of jello instead of a pudding because it's all jiggly. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of powdered sugar. Oops. Alright, that's good enough. So now I'm gonna grab a fork and taste it. So now I'm going to try it. Looks pretty good. I was trying to get the little chunk of strawberry. Wait. Here it is. It tastes pretty good. I only had it in the fridge for a little while, so it's a little cool, but it's still pretty warm, and I feel like it would taste a bit better when it's colder, but I think it tastes pretty good. I can taste the lemon really well, and the strawberry adds like another flavor to it. So yeah, I think they turned out pretty good, and I would make these again. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.